Welcome back once again to howtocookwithfood.com. On the menu today, we're going to do steamed fish. Very, very easy. I'm using a sea bream. You can be using any fish you want. Got some lovely flavours in there. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we need for this. Very, very simple. So I've got 2 fish here. These are sea bream. You can use any whole fish that you want, quite frankly. What we've done is we've scored that. Can you see that I've cut down into the flesh, just to the bone, not all the way through. Just go in and touch the bone, and that just opens them out a bit. I've done that on both sides. By the way, this fish has been cleaned. It's been descaled, de-thinned, and cleaned inside. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add some lemongrass. Now what I've done with that lemongrass is I've just beaten it out and then twisted it and tied it into one knot, as you can see, like that. So, lovely. That is just a wonderful thing. Galangal. A galangal looks like ginger. It's not ginger. That's ginger. So it looks like the kind of same root as ginger, but yeah, it's not. Lovely. Very, very, very often used in Thai food. So we've got galangal, we've got ginger, and we've got crushed garlic. 1 onion just sliced up, and then here I've got salt and some black peppercorns. Now what we're going to do is we're going to be steaming this. So what we're going to do is get some of this stuff into the water to infuse the water. Let's go and do that. So I've got a pot of water here, boiling away, just kind of gently going. Quite a lot of that water in there, actually, as you can see. Let's drop in our garlic, our ginger, our galangal, our salt, and the peppercorns. And drop in that lemongrass. And just a couple of pieces of onion. Now what I want to do is I just want that to boil for about 5 or 6 minutes. Let it get on its way. And like I say, once we get the steam on, just to let you know, I've got a bamboo steamer like that. We're going to drop the fish in there, put the lid on. But first, let's kind of get that happening for a few minutes. Okay, so while that water's boiling away and really getting infused, we're just going to add a little bit of salt and black pepper to our fish. We're going to do both sides. I'll flip those over, do the other side, then we'll be ready for the steam. Okay, so both sides are done, and I forgot to mention that the excess onion, I've just popped that inside there. Sliced onions, a couple of slices of onion inside there. Let's get back to the cooker. We're ready to steam our fish. So the fish is now in my bamboo steamer. You can use a stainless steel one if you haven't got one of these ones. And you can see the steam is coming through now, and it's beautifully aromatic. You know, we've got some lovely smells happening here. You could just do it with just plain water. It will work. But what we're doing here is adding some beautiful flavours. Lid's going to go on. And for those size fish that we've got there, that's going to be about 8-9 minutes or so. That's it. We're done. Beautiful. See when it's finished. Okay, off goes the heat. That's been about 9 minutes or so now. Let's jump in and take a look, shall we? That is looking absolutely fabulous. Let's get that on the plate. Doesn't that look fantastic? Look, what I'm going to do is I'm going to serve it in the steamer. I'm just going to get a few bits of lemon in there. Really does look good. I've got some green onions. And just a couple of pieces of chili. That's your lot. That's fantastic. Beautiful, I think, just with plain rice. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. That helps us out a lot. Leave a message. We do like actually to hear from you. Keep safe. Keep well. We'll see you soon. Steamy fish. Love.